Hi, I'm Karen Sperling, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn this photo into this painting in Corel Painter. The video features step-by-step lessons for turning a photo into a painting using Corel Painter 2021 or 2022. You'll see how to paint with Painter, brushstroke by brushstroke. You'll also see tips for using Painter's toolset, including tracing paper and cloning, all for $9.99. My videos get rave reviews like these. So head over to my artistrymag.com website and order the new Artistry Quick Fix video today. Happy painting!